Describing my family. Presentation. Hello, my name is Angélica Burbano Zapata. I am 33 years old. I live in Cali, Colombia with my family. I am laboratory assistant. My hobby is eating now. I don't like watch TV. My favorite sport is rollerblading. I have a big family. He is 52 years old. He is very nice. He is short and brown eyes. My mother's name is Giselle Amparo Zapata Acevedo. She is 52 years old. She is very nice and friendly. She is half wife. She is short and brown hair and brown eyes. I also have two sisters. Name is Lina Burbano and Diana Burbano. They are 27 and 20 years old. They have long black hair and brown eyes. I have a nephew. His name is Juan David Arenas Burbano. He is very nice and happy. He is short. My husband is named Joneser Lopez Garcia. He is 29 years old. He is very nice and hard working. He is short. He is hair brown hair and brown eyes. My daughter is my blessing. Her name is Isabela Lopez Burbano. She is 6 years old. She is short. She is happy and friendly. She is brown eyes and brown hair. Where are I from? Cali, Colombia. Here is a small description of my family. Thank you very much.